Welcome back, friends. Today we will do installation of Boss Linux. Boss Linux is Linux developed by CDAC Chennai. It is based on Debian. So in today's video we will do the installation of Boss Linux version 9, which is based on Debian Bullseye. So let us start the installation. In the next video we will do the detailed review of the Boss Linux version 9. So let us start. You have to use the Debian 10 template because 11 is still not available. Increase the RAM size to 4. Disk size is 21.5 GB. It is okay. I will just increase it to 25. Hit the create button. Use the graphical install method. So the installer is also Debian, only they have changed the name to Boss 9. There is some issue with, yes, now it is resolved. There was some issue with the mouse. Okay, now we continue. Yes, there is still some issue is there. Okay, choose the region as location as India. You can go and select, I think, Indian. I think Indian is not. You can go with English. Hindi is available. Okay. We have to use the English, American English keyboard only. There is still some problem with this Linux. Otherwise, I have not encountered this error with any other distros. Only this, there is some issue. But at least we can go ahead. It is not stopping us from installing. So okay, so host name is Boss. Okay, that is good for us. Okay. Even there is an issue with the trackpad also here. So I will use a simple name. Okay. So this installation is bypassing the root user creation. So there is no creation of root user. Directly the user is been created instead of the root user. So now the disk partitioner will open up. User has been created. We can go with the manual creation. We can go with the guided partitioning. Okay. We use this virtual disk. Create a new empty partition table. Yes. Okay. Create a new partition. You have to use say 600 MB primary beginning. Mount point you have to change. Use it at a boot partition. Done. Okay, now you go back. Again select the free space. create a new partition, continue. Now give 4 GB, hit continue. Primary partition, continue. At the beginning you can, yes, swap area. Okay, go back. So the now for the remaining 20.5 GB, create a partition. Yes, yes, if the mount point is rightly selected as root, and extended for journaling file system is selected by default, as in the rest of the distros. Mostly all the distros have extended for journaling system as default. So now you have to hit continue. Okay, hit back. So all the 3 partitions required are done. There is one boot partition, one swap partition, and one root partition. Now select finish partitioning and hit continue. Now it will give a summary that first partition is extended for, okay, second is as a swap, and third partition as a extended for, but it is not showing as a root or what, because this is the kind of summary seen in Debian installer. In other installations, for other distros, you can see a more detailed summary. So now it is asking for confirmation. Write changes to the disk. You have to say yes. Again, I can see my keyboard is mouse is hanging. Yes, now it is again working. So the installation has started. You have to just now lay back and wait for the system to finish the installation. In the next video, we will do the detailed review of the Boss Linux. So I will explain you the background behind the Boss Linux, how it was started, when it was first started, who is the development team behind the Boss Linux, and what are the different versions and support available for the Boss Linux. All those things in the next video. So now it is asking, it seems that the new installation is the only operating system on this computer. So it would be safe to install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. That is the UEFI. UEFI partition or the boot record. Do you want to install the grub bootloader to a primary drive? So it is okay for our installation, since it will be the only operating system on the virtual machine. So we hit continue and let the option remain as yes. You have to enter the device manually to install the grub bootloader. We are done. Now it will install the grub bootloader. Okay, so installation is now complete. We stop our video here. In the next video, we will do the detailed review. Thank you for being with us during the course of this video. Do like, subscribe, and share our channel. Do not miss to hit the bell button, otherwise you will miss the new videos. Bye bye.